Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to ln of 3x to the power of 4. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of this one, we keep about 3x to the power of 4 on the denominator. Later that, we need to do first derivative on numerator. So first derivative of x to the power of 4, we have 4x to the power of 3. Now, we need to simplify the number in here. So, x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 4. So, we have x in here. Number 3, we simplify. And we have number 4 in here. Next, we have the v that is about 6x to the power of 5 dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to x to the power of 6. So, we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have number 4 we put in here. And x to the power of 6 divided by x, we have x to the power of 5. The integration of this one, we have x to the power of 6 over 6. And then we put about c. 4 over 6, we simplify by number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.